So how are you?
I'm totally fine, fit as a fiddle. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much. And how's your day going so far?
It has been went great.
Okay. So
So
this
as we are
time,
talking for the first time, so please introduce yourself.
okay, of course. My name is Neelam Yadav. I am from UP and currently I live in Lucknow. And I was born and brought up in Prayagraj. And if I talk about my academic credentials, I have done my polytechnic in branch of electronics engineering. After that, I have done my instructor training and I'm graduate. I have done my B.Ed. I qualified CET and UP did both. And this time I'm doing my master's and simultaneously I'm running YouTube channel. And along with this, I'm preparing for government job like teaching exam as well as UP state exam. And that's all about me. Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Okay. So yeah, I want to know something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Manit Sagar. I am 11 years old. I live in a family of four. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, singing, reading books, writing stories, and many more.
Okay. Wow. You have lots of hobbies.
Yeah,
Okay. So which hobbies do you like most?
playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Okay. So tell me, when did you start your YouTube channel?
I started my YouTube channel in November 2023.
Okay. Okay. It's been, I think, 2 months.
Yeah,
Okay. So who has helped you to start this your channel?
my mother helped me.
Okay. So in which class
And
do you study, kid?
I study in sixth grade.
Sixth grade. Okay, so I must say that you study in your CBSE board, right?
Yeah,
So have you you are have atmosphere there. So have you atmosphere in your family?
yeah.
Okay, so who is saying who's talking to you in English in your family?
Like everyone in my family speaks in English.
Okay. Okay, so what is the purpose to learn this language? Because you are a very little and you are a kid. So you have lots time in your schooling, in your college time. So what is the reason behind learning this language?
I want to learn this language at this from this age because I want to elevate my speaking skills
Okay.
so that when I'll speak, like when I'll grow, like when I'll grow up like a teenager, something. So my English will be enhanced.
Yes. Great.
So uh, I would I would be able to like impress anyone, like impressing my teachers, or like the if I'll do a job, so the like the one who has the higher post, I can talk to them
Okay.
in English.
Okay. Okay. So what is your favorite subject? Tell me something about your favorite subject.
Okay, so my favorite subject rather than English is maths.
Maths.
Yes,
Okay.
most favorite.
Who teach you maths in your family?
Sometimes my mother teaches me.
Okay. Okay. This means your mother is a superwoman for you.
Yeah,
I can say that.
every mother is a super mom for their child.
Yes, yes. So, have you any question? Do you want to
Yes.
ask something?
What do you do in your leisure time?
Actually, I am doing my master's, so that's why I don't have much more time, and I am married, and I have so much responsibilities. So that's why I don't have much more time. But yeah, if I talk about my leisure time, that time I listening some song, I listening song, and sketching and drawing. I love drawing. I can drawing, and I love dancing. So sometimes I'm humming while cooking. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, so which type of drawings do you do?
Actually, you can say I can, be, without seeing, I can't draw anything. And whatever I seeing, any book, any, videos and any kind of, pictures, that time I can draw.
Portraits also?
No, no, no. Only very normal.
Okay, so let what are your hobbies?
My hobbies. My hobbies, you can say, in my childhood, that time my hobby is playing badminton, but this time I don't have any hobbies. Yeah, I don't have any hobby. And this time I play badminton, but not every time, not, daily basis. But yeah, I can play. So I play. I don't have
Okay.
much more hobbies, you can say.
Okay. So, how did you started practicing English?
Actually, I started my journey. It's been 6 months. 6 July. I just started. So that time I was not able to speak a single word. That time I used only online, I used like use only application that time. And I used taken only audio calls. And gradually I learned and from YouTube's, and I was that time YouTube. So this time I'm here, and this time I'm learning. I'm not, you can say that I'm not very fluent. I'm not good speaker, but yeah, I can try to speak.
Okay. So, like,
You are
uh,
stuck.
where do you live?
Yes. Now, okay. So, how's the weather there in your side? Okay, first, where are you from?
I'm from Bihar, but I currently live in Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. So, how's the weather there?
It's great. Like, it's not so much cold here.
But here, it's raining here, and you can see I'm on my roof. So, it is very cold here.
Okay.
Yeah. And the sunshine is not appear whole day. Okay, so have you any friend there in your school?
Yeah, I have many friends here.
Okay, so who is your favorite?
My
Who
best
is
friend,
helps you always?
best friend.
Yes.
He's my school friend. His name is Sahaj.
Sahaj.
Yes.
Okay, so why do you like him? Tell me a reason.
He's a very kind, charming boy. And he's the one, like, he speaks only sometimes. But yeah, when we talk, when we have a gossip, we, when in the breaks, we have gossips. So yeah, we share each other what happened and all and all. So
Okay,
yeah, we like sharing things with each other.
okay, yeah, you are sharing things. So
Yeah,
yeah,
he's by his name, he's like his name is Sahaj, and he's also Sahaj.
Sahaj. Okay, so your name is Mani. So what does it
Yes.
mean? Do you know?
My name's meaning is the one who wins the heart.
Oh wow! So you can win the heart on time, every person. What do
Yeah,
you think?
yeah.
Yes, you look so charming, and you are so charming. So you can easily, win the heart, every person. Okay, so how
Okay.
many siblings do you have?
I have an elder sister.
Okay. So in which class is she
She's
study?
in 10th grade.
10th grade. So is she can she speak English?
Yes.
So you are speaking you do speak English with her
Yeah.
daily?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to ask that. What did I wanted to ask?
Okay, okay. You take a time and you can think then ask me.
Yeah. What's your name meaning?
My name meaning my
Yeah.
my name meaning is a blue sapphire. It is a blue
Okay.
sapphire means it is a ratna. Do you know about
Yes, I
ratna?
know. I know. I know.
Yeah,
It's a gem.
gem. Yeah, you can say.
Yeah.
So
Sapphires.
sapphires, blue sapphires.
Okay. So I can ask you word meanings,
Yes,
like the
yes, you
basic
can.
to advanced, like.
Yes, you can ask. I will try.
Okay. So famous.
Famous means what kind of? It means I tell Hindi or some synonyms.
Yes. English synonyms.
Synonyms. Famous is very uh, time famous. You can say very, not prestigious. You can
Okay.
say
I'll give you a hint. Um, Like, what should I give? It's like a very simple kind of word.
Sensational. You can say sensational.
I didn't,
Famous.
I didn't heard.
Yeah, sensational means very famous and very, all the people know very well.
Oh,
Sensational.
I didn't knew this.
Yes.
I know the meaning of famous is renowned.
Genuine. Okay, renowned. Okay, you can
Yeah.
say renowned. Okay, okay.
So can you make a sentence?
Yes. Amitabh Bachchan is very renowned and you can say sensational person in the Bollywood.
Okay. Small,
Small, very, you can say very teeny,
tiny. Okay.
tiny.
Do
Yeah.
you have any other?
Small means very. Yeah, I didn't,
Okay.
I
We can
don't.
even say minute.
Minute, okay, minute. Yeah, yeah. I know the very basic sentences. I'm not doing more extra effort on my advanced sentences. So that's why I'm not, telling your answer. I'm not able to give your answer.
Okay. So you can make one or two sentences, and I'll also make some sentences.
Okay, okay. So yesterday I did my homework and I did minute mistakes on my homework and that's why I failed.
Okay. So do you have any other?
Yes, I have other minute. It means
Okay. Till you
whenever we
think.
yeah,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
whenever we give any exam, a minute mistakes, you know, a minute mistakes,
Are
we
always
can
there.
arouses.
Are always there.
No, no, no. Because of a minute mistake, we can fail in our exam.
Yeah. Actually, the sentence you said, the it's correct, but you used. Can you repeat the sentence?
Whenever we give any exam,
Yes.
a minute mistakes can be very
See,
danger for our.
you said that minute mistakes. It is a plural word. So in this case, you can't use the article a.
Okay, okay.
A
Yeah, yeah.
goes with the singular ones.
Okay, okay, okay.
A minute mistake. But if you're using mistakes, so no need for a.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I'll make some sentences. Uh, the ant in the story, the ant was uh, like a minute atom to the elephant.
Sorry, could you repeat?
In the story, the ant was
Okay.
minute as an atom
Elephant.
for the elephant.
Yes, yes. Good.
Okay, so if I another one is that um, I did some minute mistakes when I was giving the test.
Yes, you can say. This is right.
Yeah,
Okay. So tell me, do you like pets?
pets.
Yes.
Yeah, I like pets. I like having a dog.
Okay. So have you any dog
No, I
in
don't
your home?
have any dog.
Okay. I have,
My
but this
mom
time.
doesn't allow.
Okay.
I have pet fishes. Fish.
It, okay. You have aquarium in your home.
Yeah.
So do you take any tuition classes for
No,
your study?
no. I study at home.
Okay. With your sister?
Alone or with my sister or with my mother.
Okay. Okay.
You live in Lucknow, right?
Yes. Yes.
So can you tell some places, famous places?
Famous. It means you are
Like if I visit Lucknow, so which places should I visit there?
okay. You can visit here, like Bada Imam Bada, Chota Imam Bada,
Okay.
and Janeswar Mishra Park, Chandika Devi Temple, and Sahid Smart Park, Kakori, and many more places, and so many temples here. and you can say so many Aminabad and Alambag stations, and I'm not going so much more places, but yeah, when I have visited, then I tell you.
Yes, it is also said the Nawabo ka Sheher.
Nababu ka Shahar, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so when had you settled there, Ahmedabad?
I settled here when I was 2 years old.
Years old. So, had there any reason, or only your father are doing any job?
My father working. My
Okay.
father is doing job.
So it was nice to talk to you. I'm very happy.
Same here. I also really enjoyed the session with you.
Okay. And
Bye
I
bye.
have